Okay, now we've drawn our model and we want to do a report. So there's different ways we can do a report. If we go over to File drop down, we can see down here there's Estimation Report, which is the same as this estimation report. Report to CSV, which means it will print a CSV report of what's on what you've drawn. Report to XML and upload to the project management system. So let's have a look at the estimation report. But before that, we'll just do a bit of housekeeping and clean this up. So when you're drawing with the model, you turn the size of the text up so that it actually is easier to read. But when you want to do the report, I would suggest dropping that back down to 10. Also, the line thickness might be better as 2. Let's go through and have a look. Is there any layers that we want turned on or off? No, they're all good. And none of these things actually will interfere with the report you're going to produce. And so now we can close that. So before we do print a report though, we would like to save, I would suggest. So just delete the erroneous stuff, copy this, and go to the address, the job information box, and I'm just putting in an address and make up the suburb and close. Now, I would also go to save once I've done that. So I'm just going to save that, and it will say that it's saved shortly. And now it's saved. I must have a few things open in my computer. So now we'll go to Estimation Report. So you click on that. That's the name I want to save it as. And I'm choosing this one. So I just double clicked to bring it across. And the template we're going to use is a roof report. Then we click OK. It takes a little while to open up Word. Otherwise the report would already be generated, and it's open on another screen. I'll bring it across and we can see that this generic information you can update in the report in the software so it's the same every time for your business. Let's look at the sections. So the summary of lengths, areas and pitches are actually the geometric sizes. So all of these things here are as it appears on the roof itself. Then there's the plan image with the underlay underneath. Then point items, dimensions and line types. And there's the geometric lengths again. Sometimes these images are bigger than you want them to be, and it might take the Word document a bit out, which probably would have been because of this pitch table here, so you can sort of amend things and change them around. These have the identifier of each plane on there. Then there's the flashings page and panels, and then the report. So if we look at the first part of the report, the ground sheet lengths and the first 4 sheet lengths. And this is what you would order. Then we have it broken up into a cut list for each panel of each plane. Then the cutting list split into the different layers, battens and accessories. So we put the accessories on the next page and just return down until they go onto the same page, and that's it. You can now save that and report.